Do you see my hair on flat flat, girl?
Whoa, it's on flat flat.
Hey guys, welcome back to episode 3 of my synthetic wig series. It's your girl Faye, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel because this video is about to be everything, so stay tuned. Today I'll be installing this wig by Outre. I am so excited for this wig because I want to switch things up from the few wigs I've already done in this series. So this is more of a blonde crimped look. I believe this is what it's supposed to look like, but in blonde version, so I'm kind of nervous, but I just know it's gonna look so good. It is the Anabel wig from Outre, and it is apparently HD transparent lace. You know, I really know that synthetic wigs have stepped up their game so much, so the fact that there's this HD lace, we'll see. We'll see about that. It has a pre-plucked parting, so we're just gonna get into it. I will be giving away one of these beautiful synthetic wigs in this series, so make sure to check out my description box to enter. So some details about this wig. This wig is the Anabel wig from Outre in the color Salted Caramel, which I am absolutely obsessed with from the reviews and all the pictures. Like, this one was a bit of me. So if you don't like this color, there's like a million more options that you guys can choose from. I forgot to mention the most important part. This wig is only $30. So this is something for budget friendly, you know, if you want to try something new. I feel like if it looks good, like, why not? Why not try something new? This is beautiful. Oh wow. It's so long, like I can't even show you guys the bottom. Oh. This is gonna be an amazing video, so make sure y'all stick around to the end because this shows a lot of promise. This curls, like, I love the curl pattern. I really hope that it doesn't disappear while I do the hair because I don't think I'll be able to replicate this, but I'm definitely a fan. This is a T-part wig, which I'm not a fan of. I do like the fact that it already came pre-plucked, so I will go with the middle part because I kind of have no option with this wig. So since it's a T-part wig, I can't do all the plucking that I want to do once again, but it does have a okay hairline. Let me go in and zoom in for you guys. The hairline isn't too bad. I think I can make it work. Hair on flat flat. Wait, do you see my hair on flat flat, girl?
Whoa, it's on flat flat.
I don't think I'm gonna tint the lace this time because I already have a few videos on tinting the lace on this series, so I don't think I'm gonna tint the lace this time, just kind of see how it turns out. Because it's kind of matching a bit already, so I might just leave it this time. I'm also kind of trying to see if I want to do any baby hairs because there really isn't any parting space. But wow, this looks so good, and y'all, it's so long. I don't want to stand up because I'm wearing sweatpants. But it's so long, like it just keeps going and going. Like, this hair is a vibe. I really wish this hair had more parting space, as I've said a million times. I'm gonna go ahead and try and add some baby hairs and try to make it look a bit more natural because it's giving me wig. I don't know if this hair is gonna make it through this whole install tutorial because it's already like, oh, it's so matted. But if it ends up being like a matted mess, we're gonna have a problem. Please don't judge me, but I cannot find any of my rat tail combs, so I'm gonna use the end of a brush because it is kind of thin enough to pull out my baby hairs. See what we are working with. Ooh. Okay, y'all, this is not bad. Let me bring it forward so you guys can really get the full. Oh, this is what I was saying, like it looks so matted already. So this is what the hair is looking like so far, and it looks amazing. I do have to go ahead and style it and like fix these nappy ends so that I can get to its like full glory, if that makes sense. But is anyone else obsessed? Because I kind of am. Look at this, look at this. Yeah, let me fix that now. Alright guys, so I am done installing this hair, and if you guys can't tell, I'm so obsessed. This actually came out way better than I thought it would because, oh my gosh. It just took me running my hands through it a few times to get rid of the knots, and I feel like it just kind of popped back to the original shape it was supposed to be, like the crimps. So that's perfect. Let me know if you guys are obsessed too, because like I just really like this hair so much. So comment below if you like it. And the fact that this wig is only $30, it's kind of just like, if you're not buying this wig, what are you doing? Yeah, I don't know. In terms of the hair, I know I was talking about earlier how it really is really nappy, and it's not really shedding, which I thought it would, but okay. Oh, I plucked it, okay. Well, it's not really shedding like I thought it would, which is really good. It's kind of exceeding all my expectations, and it's so long. Like the fact that it passes my butt, like it's crazy. I'm 5'7", so it goes way past my butt. Like it's giving like rich girl, luxury, like bougie black girl vibes. My sister said this is like Beyonce style, which I don't know, but Beyonce does do these kind of highlights, so it's interesting. I'm kind of seeing it a little bit. But I feel like Beyonce did had like a selfie like just like this. In fact, I'm pretty sure she did. Make sure to check out my Instagram because I will be posting pictures in this hair because y'all, I'm obsessed. Like, this is definitely a vibe. I will leave all the product information on this wig in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And don't forget to enter in that giveaway to win one of the wigs in my series. And I'll also leave the links to the other synthetic wig videos in this series so you guys can check that out if you missed it. So far, I'm obsessed with every single wig. If you have any comments or questions about this wig, please make sure to leave that in the comment section below. I will answer all of them because yeah, I'm gonna wear this wig for a little bit. So if you have any questions on like maintenance or like how it sheds, I will answer that too. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching my synthetic wig tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And make sure y'all stay tuned for more videos in this synthetic wig series because y'all, this one is a hit. This is a hit. Yes. All right.